In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoho Mail not receiving emails. If messages aren't landing in your inbox, one of the most common causes is a sender accidentally being blocked by your anti-spam settings. We're going to walk through Zoho Mail's settings to make sure the sender isn't on your block list, and we'll do it in a simple, clear way so you can follow along. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Sign in to your Zoho Mail account so you're looking at your inbox. Everything we need is inside your account settings. Next, look to the top right of the page for the small gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it to open the settings panel. Depending on your theme or layout, this icon may be slightly different in size, but it's always in the upper right area. Inside settings, scroll down until you find the anti-spam section. This is where Zoho filters unwanted mail and where personal block and allow lists live. Click anti-spam to open its options. Within anti-spam, choose email address. This area surfaces individual addresses you've blocked or allowed. It's designed for quick checks when a specific person says their emails aren't getting through. If you see tabs or headings like blocked addresses and allowed addresses, focus on the blocked list first. Now make sure you did not block the sender. Carefully scan the list for their exact email address. Spelling matters here, so look for similar variations or typos that might catch legitimate mail. If there's a search box, type part of the address to narrow things down. If you find the address on the blocked list, remove it from that list. In many layouts, you can select the address and delete it, or click an unblock or remove icon. If there's a save or update button, confirm your changes so they take effect. Once you've confirmed the sender isn't blocked, back out of settings and return to your inbox. At this point, new messages from that address should be allowed through. Give it a little time for the change to apply and watch for the next email to arrive. That's it. By checking mail.zoho.com, opening the gear icon, going to anti-spam, choosing email address, and verifying the sender isn't blocked, you can resolve one of the most frequent reasons Zoho Mail stops receiving messages from a specific contact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your inbox flowing again.